Hello friends, welcome to this channel. In this video, I will show you and also tell you how you can very easily add photo or video files in a note on your iPhone. Friends, please don't forget to put your likes under the video, be sure to write comments and also subscribe to our channel. So, dear friends, let's get started. And to begin with, I will say that it is a very convenient feature that you can add a photo or video of your post. Let's say if you would like to write a post on a social network, but you're sketching, so to speak, it's very convenient and just a very handy feature in general. And so how are you going to be able to do that? Very easy, friends. To do that, please open Notes on your iPhone. And then, on the bottom right side, click on the sign to create a new note. And now, friends, you can add some text. Now at the bottom, click on this paperclip option right here. Now you will have to choose the option to add photo or video. You can also choose the option to take a photo or video if you want to take a snap of something at this time. I choose to add a photo or video from the gallery. This way you have your gallery open, you can scroll through it. Add absolutely any photo you want. And then when you select a photo, you can select more than one photo. And once you've selected a photo, say, or a video, at the top right click on the word Add. As you can see, you have to upload those photos or videos a little bit to get them added to your post. And now you can either continue typing some text, or you can save your note like this. To do that, you can just exit back out. And as you can see, the photo will be visible in this list of all your notes, so you can easily find the note you're looking for. Friends, this is the way you can easily add a photo or you can easily add a video to a note on your iPhone. I really hope you found this video helpful and useful. Friends, please don't forget to put your likes, write comments, and subscribe to this channel. Take care of yourself.